Hello, today we're making DIY muffin liners and a muffin tin. I've been using these muffin liners in so many of my recipes. I decided to show you guys a DIY video on how I make these. To start, you're going to need a muffin pan, any size, a cup, and a square piece of parchment paper. To start, you're going to need to make sure that your cup can fit inside your muffin pan, and mine fits almost perfectly. Preferably use a longer cup or a cup like mine with no handle, and you can even use a plastic water bottle. Place the parchment paper so that your cup is in the center, and then you want to fold and make sure you crease those sides really well. So fold down in the motion that I am, kind of almost like massaging the cup, and our goal is to make like a tulip cup but like DIY. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. And after you finish creasing, that's pretty much it. You've got your muffin liner there. Congrats! And then you can just pour your batter in and they'll be good to go. So let's see this in action with my banana muffin recipe. So I just filled them right in and they work perfectly. To make your DIY muffin pan, in case you don't have one, you just need a square piece of aluminum foil and that same cup with the longer and no handle to obstruct it. Place it in the center of your aluminum foil, and this time you're going to fold upwards. You can use the same technique I just used, but I decided to show you a different way to do this. An aluminum foil is easier because it naturally is very bendable and you can bend it into different shapes, and you easily have this nice little cup for you to put your batter inside. Fold the uneven parts down to make it look prettier. And now you have like this little cup that will stand up by itself in the oven. And there you go. You have your DIY muffin liner and your DIY muffin cup. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!